Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick review on the Xiaomi electric precision screwdriver, this beauty here. I've wanted one of these for a long time. I've done microelectronics and things like that for years and years, and I've always had to use piddly little screwdrivers and stuff, and my hands are old, and sometimes you can get a screw that just will not unscrew. You can't get to it properly and so on and so on. So I decided I'd bite the bullet and buy this. This was $19.99 and I read all the reviews on it and it looks very good. I'm hoping it will be good because £20 for a screwdriver is insane unless it works really well, you know. So I'm hoping it's going to be a very good purchase. Like with everything, I'm transparent. I will give you the truth. If it's rubbish, I will be telling you. Before I get on, I'd like to thank David and Joseph. Thank you guys so much. Since you become Patreons, it has spurred me so much more to get videos out and, you know, up the quality just because you guys are invested in me. And I really do appreciate the support you've given. You know, you still support me by messaging and leaving comments and likes and stuff. And that is just as important. So if you would like to become a patron like them, then please go ahead, look in the description. All the links are there, but don't feel like you have to. Liking, commenting and subscribing is just as important. But anyway, let's get on. Okay, so this is the Xiaomi electric screwdriver, precision one. It's £20, it's on AliExpress. It has a 24-piece bit set, and it's for like phone repairs and various other bits and bobs. It boasts 400 unscrews with just one charge, which I think is pretty cool. It has an all-metal gearbox for stronger, long-lasting use, a powerful magnetic motor, and a high-grade lithium battery. It has S2 screwdriver bits and a Type-C charger, all in a beautiful aluminium case. It does 170 revolutions per minute, which is pretty cool. The shaft diameter is 16.4 millimeters. Okay, that's all the housekeeping blurb stuff done. Let's have a look at it actually, shall we? I'm quite excited by this because I've wanted one of these for such a long time. It's all in Chinese, there is no English translations. The whole thing Chinese. It feels really nice. Well, that's nice. It's funny that there's no place for the charging wire though. So if just going on looks, then it looks very beautiful. It's a very nice tool. Let's have a look, see. It's the charging thing, but it's funny that there's nowhere to put it inside, but such is life. Actually, it all feels well constructed, to be honest with you. So we got one, which is 1 speed and 2 speed, and then in the centre's off, and then we got rewind, or right and left maybe. It's really quiet. So let's get one and have a look. It's a magnetic head. Then okay, now I'm going to give it a full charge and then I will be back. Okay, so genuinely, it's a very good little screwdriver. I've noticed that every now and again it will come across a screw that is too strong for it, but because it's got metal gears, when you turn it without pressing any of the buttons, it will lock in place. So it means you can just knock the screw just slightly and then it will work absolutely fine. But one thing I was most surprised with is how good all the bits are, all the like tips, you know, the screwdriver heads. I had a particularly annoying screw and I was just like going hell for leather on it, and it was biting and eating up and all this sort of stuff. And I thought, oh well, I've got to mess this screw head up. And I looked at it, there was no damage to it at all. The screw had come out, but it had been the screw that had been mangled, basically. I so often buy drill bits and all this sort of thing where you're unscrewing something or you're drilling something and there's bits of stuff going everywhere and you're like, no, that's that bit gone, and you'll look at it and it's literally, you know, like a point now. There's no screw head bit to it at all. But these seem to be really resilient, so I'm actually a little bit shocked that it sort of lived up to what they said. Normally that's the first bit to go. You know, you expect the screwdriver to last a while, but all the bits you've got with it slowly start to dwindle, and that tends to be the thing you have to go and rebuy, kind of thing. But it does, it seems to be very, very good. Time will tell. I will use it more and more, and if anything does happen that I didn't expect to, or if, you know, if it lasts me a long time and I'm still using it in a while, I'll leave a pinned comment, or if it needs it, I will make a whole new video. But so far so good. I'm actually quite excited by it, and it just means the longer tipped ones mean that I can get into the places I couldn't with my other precision screwdrivers. So, you know, I'm quite happy, and it just means I've got a few projects coming up soon that I'll be able to sort of tackle now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, David and Joseph. You guys are awesome, and thanks again. See you soon. Bye for now.